Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to recover your Amino account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Amino app, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, where can you get the Amino app? You can get it on Google Play Store, you can get it on Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Amino and follow through the on-screen prompts to install. After installing, it's going to take you right to the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create a new account entirely. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Amino. So let's say you tried to open your account and for some reason you cannot have access to your account and you want to recover your Amino account. Here's exactly what you should do. Of course, if you cannot get access into the Amino account, it means you must have been stuck in the sign up page. So right there in that sign up page, you're going to see a couple of options that you can use to log in or to create an account. But because you want to recover your account, then right there, just go ahead and click on login. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to the next window where you need to add your login details. But yes, let's say you've forgotten your password or you've forgotten your password and you cannot get access to your account. This is how to recover it. From that login window, right under it, you're going to see forgot my password hyperlink. It's a hyperlink. So go ahead and click on forgot my password. After clicking on forgot password, then Amino is going to walk you through the step-by-step processes that you can take to create a new password so that you can recover your account. Now, you need to have access to the email address that you used in registering your Amino account because you're going to send some verification code to that email. It's security tied. It needs to confirm everything to be sure that you are the one requesting for the change of password. So after doing that, just follow through the step-by-step processes and you'll be able to create a new account that you can use to log in and log into your account and of course recover your account again. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.